God said to Hezekiah, a message from on high. You better set your house in order, for you must surely die. He turned to the wall and weeping. We seen him there in tears. He got his business fixed all right. God spared him 15 years. There's a little black train a-comin'. Fix all your business right. There's a little black train a-comin', and maybe here tonight. Go tell that ballroom lady, all dressed in the worldly pride, that death's dark train is coming. Prepare to take a ride. I seen that train with engine and one small baggage car. Your idle thoughts and your wicked deeds will stop at the judgment bar. There's a little black train a-comin'. Fix all your business right. There's a little black train a-comin', and maybe here tonight. That poor young man in darkness cared not for the gospel light, till suddenly heard the whistle blow, and the little black train inside. Death had fixed the shackles upon his soul so tight. Before he got his business fixed, the little black train arrived. There's a little black train a-comin'. Fix all your business right. There's a little black train a-comin', and maybe here tonight.